Yeah.
You hear me talking?
Will in the end.
Okay, YouTubers, I wanted to
Show you the little rig here.
show you our steam setup.
Steam setup. We're having fun at Fall Creek Falls.
For all you steam folks out there, this is Steam Pump 101.
Yeah. You got that in the video.
City shot.
Yeah. Yeah. The boiler with a sight tube. Oh, how many pounds are we running on the little gauge? Can anybody see it? Oh, it turns into a blur. Oh, now my lens is all foggy.
You're all steamed up.
All cleaned up. And we got the little water pump. And the
hand
water tank.
actuated.
Yeah. Oh, and the preheat. No, the superheating tube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Superheater.
It goes right in the top from the control valve here. Straight down.
Don't forget the safety valve on the back side.
Yeah, in case we have a blow off.
Sure.
Get high pressure.
Save us.
Okay. We'll check all that out.
I'll see you next time.
Yeah, okay, 3 little engines running now on 12 pounds. Okay, bye.